Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how I created this graphic liner eye makeup look. I actually posted a picture on my Instagram, I think maybe 5 days ago, and a lot of you really seem to like this look. It's also really trendy, so yeah, I hope you guys are gonna enjoy, and hopefully this is gonna teach you guys how to recreate this. So I'm gonna use two eyeliners. The first one is a brown liquid liner, and I'm gonna apply this above the lash line first. I'm gonna put all the products I'm using today in the description bar. It's not really important what eyeliner you use or what brand, as long as it performs well. That's all that matters. The one that I'm using is from the brand Maven Beauty, which is really nice, and it has a really nice pigmentation. But honestly, you can use everything that you have at home. So just make sure that you use a color that you like. You can use all color combinations that you have. So then I created a tiny winged liner. Then I skipped a little part. And then I also draw a line kind of a little bit further away towards the brow. And then I started creating a line in the crease area as well. Kind of trying to make a triangle and then following my natural crease line. I like to work in small portions. It's really hard, like when you draw the whole line in one, it's easier to fill. So I like to work in small sections. So this way it's kind of going to prevent to making mistakes. So now I'm gonna draw a golden line right underneath the brown line. It's actually quite easy because I can just follow that line but go a little bit lower. And then I want to drag the line a little bit further away, like below the brown line. And then also do this at the outer part of the lash line and connect it with the golden liner a little bit higher up. It's kind of hard to explain for me in English, but hopefully just by seeing me doing it, it all makes sense. And like I said earlier, you can use all color combinations that you like. So now I noticed, okay, the line wasn't really the way I wanted it to be. I should have kept like a clean space a little bit higher, but it doesn't really matter. I just went over the golden line a few times, so it kind of hit the brown line. So it actually worked really easy. But now I'm going in with some brown eyeshadow from this palette from Makeup by Mario. This shade looks really similar to the brown eyeliner I used, so I wanted to use kind of like a similar eyeshadow for the lower lash line as well. So I used a Sigma Beauty flat definer brush, and I'm kind of pressing this shade right underneath the lower lash line. Then after applying it, I'm also going to blend it out, of course, to make it all look a lot more softer. So the eyeliner is actually already finished. It's not actually that complicated. The only thing you want to make sure is that you just take your time, and if you work in small sections with little strokes, it's gonna make it way more easier. You can always use a little cotton pad and remove when you make a mistake. So yeah, let me know if you're gonna try out this look. You can find a lot of inspiration on Instagram as well on this graphic liner trend. But let me know if you like it, if you're gonna try it out. If you do recreate this look, don't forget to tag me on social media. I will put my Instagram handle down in the description bar. I would love to see your recreation. So I used a brown pencil in the waterline as well, and this is how it's looking so far. Then I went in with some mascara, and of course I also used some fake lashes to finish off this whole makeup look. But honestly, without lashes, it also looks really good. Kind of makes it more editorial, kind of like magazine. Like the lashes definitely make it more glamorous, kind of Instagram-ish, if that makes sense. But yeah, I feel like lashes always complement the look. So yeah, this is the finished results. I hope this makeup tutorial was helpful. Let me know if you enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and hopefully I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye!
Baby, don't